Ariel will open.
Why?
Because she's your big sister. She's helper. See how she opened the bottle for her? Dasha, what do you need to say to Ari? Ari, sit next to her and kiss her.
We're cold.
You like good sisters?
Yeah. Yeah. We love each other. Let's touch.
One time, there was a little girl named Dasha, and she was good. And her sister name was
Papa.
Ariel.